Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the small hotel management system. This system we are given for the people who sit for the interview. Okay, we have a simple practical test. We have to complete this project within 1.5 hours to 2 hours project, right? Okay, so this is a tutorial you will be able to see here. Using the Laravel 11, build a basic hotel management system with following functionality. You can use any framework like Bootstrap or Tailwind libraries, right? So first you have to create the user login and registration for hotel admin login system. Any Laravel authentication package you can using Breeze or Liveware or uh, Inertia, right? So here you can see here or custom. Okay, right? Okay. So the second one here you can see the create the following migration files, hotels and rooms. These are the migration files you have created. When you create the migration files, you are keep in your mind hotel call the hotel ID, which is a primary key, which is auto increment part, name, image, description. These are the field include the hotels. Okay, if you are looking for the rooms, room consists of these following columns: ID, hotel ID, name, description, age, quantity, status. Here is the primary key of the hotel. Okay, hotel table there is a primary key which same primary key which will be having the rooms table which called as foreign keys, right? So here we have a create the controller and model both hotel and rooms for migration in the above step. Correct naming, model and controllers. Okay, these are the things you have to do it. Okay, here's get the pages managing the hotel rooms and details. You have to, all the pages you have to manage it. Okay, you have to make the simple CRUD operations for update all the stuff over here. After done the stuff, you have to create the APIs, right? So let's start this project, right? So first, I'm going to go to right first. Right. First, I'm going to go to open up the test hotel. Okay, I'm going to create the app. Here name it as. I'm going to install the Laravel 11 version. So I'm going to go to the respective, which is a Laravel 11. Go to the official website. This is the official website of Laravel. Laravel get started installation. Click on this one. Paste it over here. You have to create a project. It's a hospital. Or sorry, hotel app. Whatever name you can give. Press enter key. Sorry, the name should be wrong. If it is wrong, you can on the hotel. You have to give the correct name. Hostel. I just hotel management, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to give the name as hotel. So if it is there is some error of your program, it's error of your spelling mistake of the project while you creating, you have to create again. Okay, that is must. When you are going to the interview, they checked all the things as well. They checked your knowledge of the program and English. English is must while you are coding, right? When you are struggling somewhere else, you have to go to the interview. You have to go to the online and search something else where you are struck the error. You have to ask someone else to short of that error. So if you don't have a good English knowledge, you are unable to complete the project. So the English knowledge is very must when you are writing the codes. Okay, so while going to person the interview, so you have to uh, correct the spelling mistake as well. That is very important stuff, right? That's all the things they observe of your knowledge along with your English knowledge as well. Alright, so keep in your mind this all the things. Okay, it's big installing. You have to wait until the installation completed. Here all things I have done it well. So I'm going to open up this project. So you have to type the command cd hotel app. Right, now we are going inside this project. You have to open the project on VS Code editor. You have to type the command code space dot. Right, so we have a stuff. Now first what you're going to do is I want to go to my XAMPP. So you have to open up the XAMPP server. So already my XAMPP is running. So I am to go to, you have to open up the, you have to run it your Apache server and MySQL both. Okay, so when you open up, it will be the button becomes start. You have to press, after press it, it will be the big button changed as stop. Okay, then only the port has been started both Apache and MySQL as well. So here we have a admin button. You just click on that admin button. You have to open up the dashboard of MySQL server. Dashboard you have to open up. Okay, so here we are. You have to create the databases, right? So what are the databases you are going to create of based on the hospital management system? You have to give in the name of the hotel management system of the name. Okay, you have to give the name, meaningful name of the databases, right? So here I have to give the name. So let's see what's the name you have to give. Okay, now what you are going to do is here I'm going to go to click create new db host m host hotel management m hotel m means this is a name. Okay, my project hotel m. This name I'm going to go copy this, the same name, open up my project. This is a project, this is my project env file. Here defaultly the Laravel come as a SQLite. I want to change as MySQL. This all things I just select all, control / to uncomment it. You have to change it as this one is a Laravel db hotel m. That's it. Now let file save all. Now let's run the application. We have to terminal, open that right terminal window. Let's run on it. Artisan serve. You type the command to test the Laravel project. PHP artisan serve. Okay, type on the command to test on your Laravel project on the terminal. If you just copy this URL, you have to paste on the browser tab. You can check on it whether it's running fine or not on your browser. Okay, here is a welcome page is running so far well. Now perfectly you are running your project successfully. Now what you're going to do is I want to go back to my project. Right, first what I'm going to do is here don't it is running. Okay, this window is running. You have to open up another terminal window. Here you have to do all the migration and everything. Okay, let's open up the your page. So this one we have to do it the authentication part later on. Before that you have to do this one, hotel and rooms, these all things you have to do it. So what you're going to do is you have to do the migration part. The migration, we have to create the migration files, right? You have to do the migration file. So what to do the things, the migrations. Okay, so we have to do the migration files. You have to write it over here. You have to type php artisan make you have to type the command php artisan make, right, model model hotel, here m dash m. What is the meaning of this one? I want to create both as a single command. I want to create the migration file and model file. Both of you have to create using a single command. You're using by this command. I want to generate the migration files as well as a model. So if you are, rather than you have to doing as a separate file, it take too much of time to complete the project. So that here this one line command which will be create both files, migration file as model files. That is must. Okay, so in the program you have to do the programming quickly. You have to manage in order to manage your project with the given deadline. So you have to type this one, right? So you can see here, you have to go to app folder. Inside the app folder you can see the models. The hostel model is created. Now at the same time you have to go to the databases migration. Here migration file has been created. Both you have created successfully. Second one, I want to create a room. So room, how to create it? So type room, press enter key. Room model has been created here. Isn't it? Got it? What I said, have you got it? Right, this is very must. Right. Now what I'm going to do is, okay, now let's set the migration file. So let's go to the hotel. So here what I'm going to do is, I want to go to, I'll be explain it. So here you already had this files. Okay. So okay, this is a simple code. So you type table string. What's the name? So I need a name field of the hotel name. Okay, so these are the columns we have created on the databases. So hotel consists of the hotel name, which is string data types. Second one, hotel consists of the image. Hotel as an image, which is a nullable. After that, we have a text, which is a description of the hotel. Hotel description. So status when the hotel is activated or deactivated. Okay, the hotel. Okay, so these are the columns available in the hotel table. Right, okay, these are the columns. Okay, so once you done it, you make sure file save or to save this one. Then we have typed the command php artisan migrate or migrate the table. Successfully we have done the migration. Okay, you have successfully migrated. After that I want to migrate another one, which is a I want to do the another thing is a room. So room also we have rooms. So room also we have to the room I want to do it later on. So first you have to done the hotel part. You have to see here. Let's check on the database table how the migration is working or not. Okay, this one hotel. Okay, it's working successful. Okay, it's working successful. Okay. Now the hotels part we have completed, right? So after that, what I'm going to do is, I want to go to the second step. I want to do the routes part. I'm going to go to the web.php here. I'm going to manage the routes. So all the routes I have created. So let's do it over here. This all the routes. So here this is the routes we have to work with. So let's. I have to this all the code I provide here. You have to write the routes I have separately have created: post, get, put, and delete. This is used to save the record. You have to load the record. You have to view the record and edit the record and delete the record. These all things are based on the CRUD operation. Okay, so this one store. What thing I am going to store hotel. Otherwise insert the hotel. These are all hotels. When you view the records, you have to type all hotels. Third one, this is a update hotel for delete hotel. It's a delete hotel. You have to make sure these are all the meaningful names. So this one should be the hotel controller. We have to make this all things a controller. So let's create the controller of the hotel. We have to already we have a command for create the controller. Okay. PHP artisan make controller. I need a controller. We have which controller? I have create the hotel controller. You have type it PHP artisan make controller hotel controller. You have type this name PHP artisan make colon controller hotel controller. PHP artisan make colon controller hotel controller. Press enter key on your keyboard. Your controller has been created this following path where it is reside on the app folder. Inside the app folder HTTP controller. Inside the controller there is a controller which will be created hotel controller. That's it. I hope you guys you understood the thing so far clear, right? So after that we have to go to back to my routes folder. I have to define the path of the routes where your controller is resided. Okay, where my controller is resided, we have to given the path where my controller is resided. We have to give the path of that. So what I'm going to do is we have to go to the path. Here we have to define the path. Okay, so here use we have typed the command use means this is a default keyword. My controller reside on inside the app folder. Here the app, here the specifier will be capital app. Inside the app we have a HTTP folder. Inside the HTTP folder we have a controller folder. Inside the controller folder there is a control which name is hotel control. Here it's hotel control. That's it. This controller I'm going to paste it over here. Hotel controller. That's all this. Okay. I hope you understand well. Okay, so we have completed the so far we have completed the routes as controller. We the rest of the path we have do it my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.